temperature dependence of resistance. Temperature according to Clausius, the temperature of conductor increases with increase of temperature. On the basis of experimental observation, Clausius performed following relation between temperature and resistance. RT equal to R0 1 plus alpha T. Here R0 equal to resistance at 0 degree C. RT resistance of conductor at T degrees. Alpha temperature coefficient of resistance. Temperature coefficient of resistance. T unknown temperature. From equation first, we have RT equal to R0 plus R0 alpha T, or RT minus R0 equal to R0 alpha T. Therefore, alpha equal to RT minus R0 by R0 T. If R100 equal to resistance of conductor at 100 degree C, resistance at 100 degree C, then on the basis of equation first, R100 equal to R0 1 plus alpha into 100, or R0 alpha 100, R100 minus R0 equal to R0 alpha 100. Therefore, alpha equal to R100 minus R0 by R0 100. Equating these equation second and third, equating equation second and third, RT R100 minus T equal to RT minus R0 multiplied 100 by R100 minus Rg. This relation is used in platinum resistance thermometer. Now another relation between temperature and resistance. Let the resistance of conductor, let the resistance of conductor at T1 degree C is R1 and at T2 degree C is R2. Increase in resistance, R2 minus R1. Temperature difference, T2 minus T1. We know that increase in resistance is directly proportional to initial resistance and increase in temperature. That is R2 minus R1, where is R1 and T2 minus T1. From equation first and second, we have R2 minus R1 proportional R1 T2 minus T1. R2 minus R1 equal to alpha. Here alpha is the proportionality constant. Where alpha is constant of proportionality. Called temperature coefficient of resistance. Called temperature coefficient of resistance. Therefore, alpha equal to R2 minus R1 by R1 T2 minus T1. This relation is used in calculating the temperature coefficient of resistance or any of the temperature or R1 or R2. Now we have to obtain relation of series and parallel combination of resistance. Resistance are combined in two ways. First, series combination, and second, parallel combination. First, series combination of resistance. Combination of resistance. It is combined in two ways, series combination and parallel combination. Firstly, we explain series combination. Series combination. The combination of resistance in which two or more resistance are connected end to end is said to be series combination, such as we combine the three resistance R1 ohm, R2 ohm and R3 ohm. In series combination, same current flowing through all the resistance. Let current of strength I ampere flowing through the resistance in combination A, B, C, D. Potential of this point is VA, VB, VC, VD. As shown in figure, three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are combined in series combination. The current of strength I ampere flowing through the combination. The potential difference of each resistors VA minus VB equal to IR1. Second, VB minus VC equal to IR2. VC minus VD equal to IR3. Taking summations, sum of all is VA minus VD equal to I common, taking common, R1 plus R2 plus R3. If equivalent resistance between the combination is RS, if RS equal to equivalent resistance in series combination, then potential difference of equivalent resistance VA minus VD equal to IRS. Equating equation first and second, from equation first and second, IRS equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. Therefore, RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is, equivalent resistance in series combination is equal to sum of all the individual resistance. Second, parallel combination. In series combination, we have to get larger resistance, maximum resistance, and parallel combination is used for obtaining minimum resistance. Parallel combination. Parallel combination. If one end of two or more resistors is connected at one point and other end is connected at another one point, Such combination is called series combination. As shown in figure, three resistors R1, R2 and R3 ohm are connected in parallel combination. The potential difference at A is V, at the potential at A is VA and at B is VD. Potential difference of all the resistors in combination is same, and that is equal to VA minus VD. Current of strength I ampere flowing through the resistors, which divided into three parts, I1, I2 and I3. The current flowing through the resistors R1, R2 and R3 is I1, I2 and I3 respectively. It is evident that I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Since I1 equal to VA minus VD by R1, I2 equal to VA minus VD by R2, I3 equal to VA minus VD by R3. Therefore, VA minus VD by R1 plus VA minus VD by R2, VA minus VD by R3. Taking common, VA minus VD, 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. If equivalent resistance of all the three resistors is equal to Rp, if Rp equal to equivalent resistance in parallel combination, then current flowing through this equivalent resistance I equal to VA minus VD by Rp. Now equating equation first and second, VA minus VD by Rp equal to VA minus VD 1 by R1, R2, R3. Therefore, 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the formula for parallel combinations of resistors. Parallel combination of resistors, 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That is the reciprocal of equivalent resistors in parallel combination is equal to sum of reciprocal of equivalent resistors in combinations. In next lecture, we discuss about color code of carbon resistors.